creating a girlfriend with ChatGPT. This was one of the biggest topics of our meeting. While enjoying the matcha tea from our Gifts Cafe, local makers and tech entrepreneurs discuss project 3D printing models from Pavi's game. Check it out on Steam, Nimbus Infinity. And of course we've tested Ashton's project in Unity, which is a snowboard emulator. And also we've got some old tech from Japan, including a tiny brand new thermoprinter that was like 35-40 years old. And what's great that finally our meetings became a place for Thai tech entrepreneurs to meet together, to know that in Phuket there are a lot of talented Thai people, and together we can make a really interesting hobby and business projects. So if you're interested in tech, 3D printing, robotics, join us every Wednesday in Pirate Bay at 7 p.m.